Okay, so I just wanted to give you the quick rundown of the Excel version of rock, paper, scissors we did just in case the JavaScript didn't work. So here you've got your basic Excel spreadsheet, got your player versus computer, and your drop down here, you can make your selection of rock, paper, scissors, and the computer will make a move accordingly. I just want to give you a quick glance at the data that we're looking at. So right here, it's got the real-time data for the game. Now, so that we don't have to build up our training set, we're going to use one that we already have and paste it in here. These are just games that we play with my kids. Um, so that'll give you a better idea of where we sit. And then here's your count. So we've got 96 games total. We have a tendency towards scissors, but just barely. And then this gives us our actual count of previous move versus next move. And from that count, we take a percentage. So if your previous move was scissors, you're most likely to play rock. You've played rock next 13% of the time. Your previous move was paper, you played scissors 15% of the time. If your previous move was rock, you played paper. And again, over here, you've got your tree, which basically spells out the same thing a little cleaner. And it just takes the max of this percentage. And then the computer's next move follows the rules of rock, paper, scissors. So based on what this is, the computer will determine what it's supposed to be. And then again, here we spell it out nice and clean for you. So if your previous move was rock, your next move will likely be paper. So the computer will play scissors. So we can see here this tracks what the very last item is in here so that you don't have to constantly remember it. Now, the only thing that I couldn't quite figure out was this is a relative reference on my macro. So this always has to be placed at the last move. But we can go over here. And so again, we've got our previous move was scissors. So we're going to follow these rules. The computer thinks our next move will be rock. So it's going to play paper. So to beat the computer, we should play scissors again. We're going to come in here and play scissors, and we win. And then to play a new game, you're just going to hit new game, and it resets it for you. And then if we came back in here, we could drop down here, and we'll see that it'll have added it. Or like I said, you can come right here and see. So again, the computer is going to play paper, so we want to play scissors again, and we win again. And you can just keep going and going and going. Um, and you'll see it updates here as we go. So it's going to take a while of scissors for this to kick in. But then if you decide you want to start fresh without any of the other data, you can come in here and set reset data. It's going to come back over here and it's going to clean out all of that data set that we had in and everything else reset. So you have got a fresh game that you can retrain. And then I will just click on, this is the formula that's driving this. I just thought I'd click on it really quickly so you can see what's in here if you wanted to, but it's just a nested if formula basically. So that's the gist of our game and have fun. Thank you.